Hey everybody, Nate Henderson here. We are here at the Las Vegas Furniture Market, the 2018 show. There are thousands of furniture companies, everything from very, very large ones like Ashley Furniture all the way down to the new little startups. And what you see coming across all of this, the undercurrent is first of all customer experience, and then it's about delivery. It's that fact that Amazon has taught us how important it is to be able to deliver to customers within 48 hours. And so everything here is talking about how do we take that massive box and make it small enough that it can be delivered on a FedEx truck. When that happens, that means you've got assembly now that's required at home, and that's why BILT is becoming such a huge part of this. We spent the last 2 days just meeting with companies large and small, and all of them had that same issue and opportunity. Let's create a great experience for customers, and let's deliver it in a way that they want to see it at the time when they want to see it, and make sure they're so successful that they become promoters of these brands. So tremendous opportunity here, and BILT is just happy to be a part of really bringing the furniture industry into the next decade. So lots of fun here.